Long ago, the forest belonged entirely to the animals. They lived as one people beneath the great trees. But one season, strangers came. Humans built at the forest edge and began hunting inside. At last, the lion, king of the forest, called a great meeting beneath the ancient odum tree.
We cannot continue like this. The humans are clever. To survive, we too must become clever. One among us shall disguise himself as a human and live near their settlement, to warn us.
The path ahead is treacherous. Thank you, Your Majesty. I will not fail you.
This matter must remain between you and me. A secret that leaves the mouth grows wings.
The baboon hurried away, unable to contain his excitement. His heart swelled with pride.
Brother Baboon, why do you smile so widely tonight? What has happened to you?
Keep this secret. Soon I shall live among humans. The lion has chosen me.
The lion?
Yes, chosen.
The rabbit's eyes widened, but inside he laughed. And when the baboon had gone, he went straight to the lion.
King Lion, why choose the baboon? Why choose one who cannot keep a secret for a single night?
At once the lion understood. The baboon had betrayed his trust. The lion's face darkened with anger. The next morning the baboon arrived happily. He saw the lion's eyes, and in that instant he knew. Fear seized him. Without a word, he leaped into the tree. The lion roared below.
Ha! 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 I have escaped! Ha! Ha! Ha!
Wisdom was defeated by loose talk and vanity. That is why the baboon laughs and the lion roars.